Welcome to this program, which originated by enactment of new California tax legislation affecting the deductibility of spousal support. This video is coordinated with Xspouse support.
Hello, I am the avatar for Judge Harry Pawazek, now retired, working as a private judge. Near the conclusion of this short video, I will provide a judicial perspective on this presentation.
I am the unofficial avatar for Xspouse support software. My purpose is to give insights into the software.
During this presentation, I will refer to the Xspouse avatar as Mr. X. We proceed with an explanation of the new California tax legislation designated SB711. In recent years, California tax rules for the deductibility of spousal support differed from federal income tax rules. Specifically, before 2026, payers were allowed to deduct qualified spousal support payments, and payees reported the support received in their California personal income tax returns. With the enactment of Senate Bill 711, California tax rules conform to federal rules with respect to deductibility and taxability of spousal support, beginning with judgments executed on or after January 1, 2026. Note the second bullet on screen that explains the rule for modifications. To see the effect on guideline spousal support, I will demonstrate with a simple hypothetical. Party 1's wages are $20,000 per month. Party 2's are $5,000 per month.
Here is the input for Post SB711 for year 2026 using software version 2026-1. The Xspouse defaults to Post SB711 settings, assuming software version 2026-1 or later, and the support calculation is set to 2026 or later. For a 2026 and later calculation to be determined under pre-SB711 rules, follow these steps. 1. Click Settings on the top menu bar. 2. Change includes spousal support after 2025 in state tax calculations from no to yes by clicking on No and pressing the space bar. 3. Click on Save at the bottom of the screen. If your year setting on the main input screen is set to 2025, pre-SB711 rules will apply without a setting change. This screen shows a 2026 year calculation with version 2026-1 and the setting just described to yes. Note the warning in red letters at the bottom of the screen. Here is the difference in computer-determined spousal support. $140 per month. Alert! We have an incoming message from Cyber Command. When using the setting of pre-2026 CA tax rules, the B key toggle is active, so users must check that the main screen display is set to use adjusted nets. In the current version of Xspouse, the default setting has been left as adjusted nets, so in most instances this will be automatic. However, if a user has overridden the default setting and is using unadjusted nets, then the tax effects of SS will not be displayed. End of alert. I recommend that you contact support at xspouse.com in case of questions on this alert or otherwise.
My only comment is to remind counsel the resulting amount for spousal support is not mandatory and they must consider the factors as set forth in FC 4320. The deductibility or non-deductibility is only one factor that must be considered.